Ako lang kasulti nila na ano man, nang video na. Ako lang yung espiritu sa kusa para di ba po ilang gugma. Wala espiritu sa kusa, ang gugma, magkakang kawa. Maganda ako kayo sulti nila na
I would like to say to both Christian and Cherila to have a blessed married life. We pray that God bless you with more blessings and always to have a good health, both of you. So for everyone, we would like to propose a toast for Mr. and Mrs. Abramov.
Cheers, everyone! Cheers! Ako, puuntan ko kay Katiya. Ako, may kakatapang ka. Anak siya, magbantay.